my God, living the best life. Why? This is the best time to create opportunity because we are now in the abundant space. We are now in the abundant space. Except that you're just okay being okay. Being okay is not really okay because it's dead, it's stuck, it's spiral down.
Bakit hindi nila nakikita yung abundance na nakikita mo? Ang nakikita nila, walang opportunity. Kailangan nating mag-OFW. Kailangan nating
Belief system pa nga eh. Again, hindi sila masama ha.
Oo.
The belief system, sa akin, sa family ko, belief system, magiging asenso ka lang pag nag-abroad ka. Yun. And based on result, halos lahat
Or
ng nasa
doctor ka or
abroad.
engineer ka.
Oo, halos lahat ng asenso nandoon. Pero hindi eh. Para sa akin, success and happiness is here and now. Kahit wala ako sa ibang bansa, kaya ko maging successful dito. Kahit wala akong love life, happy ako. Now, because right now, I feel happy, I feel excited, I feel all of the things that I'm supposed to feel. Then that's where you get to bring in all of this. Because if I may ask you, Bri, bakit sa tingin mo yung tao gusto magkaroon ng maraming pera?
Sa akin personal definition ko is freedom.
Exactly. So why not feel free today and then that money will just come to you?
Pwede ba yun? You just free today and then money will come to you?
No, feel free today, not running after money, but the way you start doing this, again, work hard on number one, your growth. That you grow towards maybe letter A. If you don't have a business, your career. That's why you chose this career. Are you working hard on a day-to-day basis to be good at what you do? Or baka pare-pareho lang content mo, nakakasawa na, pati ikaw ayaw mo panoorin? Or
Pupunong kahoy.
exactly. I mean, sa totoo lang, you have to evolve eh. I mean, real talk, Darbs, from a love life to pambansang issue analyzer to right now, nag-iba na. Nag-evolve na eh. Bakit? Kasi nag-aaral araw-araw. I mean, the last time we were together was in the farm. When was that?
2023?
Hindi na si Ras yun. Iba na si Ras ngayon.
Oh, iba na nga. Oh.
Ibang-iba na. Magkita tayo next week, ibang-iba na. Ask me why.
Why?
I study, I learn every day. I take time out. Doesn't have to pay. Right now, I'm studying about David Guillaume, Kabbalah.
Same,
oh my God.
same.
Oh my
Coach
God.
Russ.
And do you pay anything?
No.
Oh, my course siya. Binili ko, hindi ko pa nagamit. Pero doon sa mga free, ang dami ko natutunan. So stop giving me that it's expensive and you cannot even afford it. You can't even afford to watch all of this trash and even share it and even laugh about it, even talk about it. How come you cannot move it to a level where it's more productive? So in the end, growth is the first thing you need to work so hard. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-grow, para kang puno na sa
Para kang
paso.
namamatay.
No, puno ka na sa pagbuhay ka pa, pero puno ka na sa paso. Maganda tignan, pero namumunga ba? Nagbibigay ba ng shade? Hindi.
Hindi.
Your growth here is get out of the paso, get yourself into a big space of biggest room in the world. It's what we call soil of personal development. Klaro ba?
Klaro.
So that's the first thing, personal development. And when you personally develop yourself, you translate it into your career.